Alright, no, an extra added drama is no.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Good morning, beautiful people. I am here for another day of just awesomeness. I hope you are enjoying your day. First and foremost, it is our anniversary, October 21st, 2022. It is our anniversary. It's our 50-year anniversary. It's a big one, right? A bit of me is like, oh, it's a regular day, right? But then there's a bit of me that's like, or a lot of me that's like, I'm just so appreciative of where we are presently. Just thankful for what we have. And, 5 years, 9 years together, and I'm still in love, Crazy thing, right? Not saying that like I'm like shocked by it because like I picked a good one, but people that you're like, oh my God, they look so happy, right? We share as much as we, are willing to share with you guys, right? That's the truth behind it. But we try to be as like authentic as we really can. We kind of tell you when we're having disagreements and how we work through it, because we are trying to build that community of like love, right? That community where we are holding strong together and working through the ups and downs that relationships have, right? So we are expressing that to you. But, social media has a tendency to kind of show you like everything's great. Like, how many of you have had YouTubers that you guys been watching for years, right? And then now they're like divorcing or like breaking up, and you're like, oh, I have a new like YouTube channel. You're like, yo, what happened to your man? Oh, we moved out, we broke up, he cheated on me, X, Y, and Z. I followed multiple family vlogs or couple vlogs, right? And a lot of them are not together. And we are starting out, we don't really know the dynamics of what life is going to carry for us. Like, I'm not going to be the one that's going to be like, I would never leave my man's not leaving me. Because like I said, we don't know what life has for us, right? But we have dedicated time and energy and promised each other that whatever it is, we're going to work through it. So we hope to highlight those things with you, that, like real love, real marriages, they go through those ups and downs, but you try your hardest to kind of work through them. And it's not always so, but you do try your hardest to work through them. I think people kind of also get lost in relationships where they start to think about just the family life, right? I am so happy to be a mother. I'm so happy that we are parenting together. But our union is, to the highest respect, is what makes us better parents, right? So we need to spend days like today and enjoy us and fill our cups, because you could forget that, because some people will be like, tell me about yourself, right? And some people's first thing is like, oh, I'm a mom, right? And which is true. You might have been a mom before you were a wife or whatever, right? But I was like a friend. I was a girlfriend, lover, all that before I was a wife. And now that I'm a wife, I then became a mother. And all those things, that foundation of our love has made me a better mom, has made us better parents. But we have to have that like amore love. Like, we have to have that like love, that continued intimacy, and we work on that. Like, that's not something that comes easily at times, because you're like, oh, I'm tired, oh, Kellan was up late last night, or whatever. Like, there's so many excuses that you can use, like, oh, I'm tired from work. Life can make you tired, and some people will twist a turn and, when was the last time you had sex? 2 months ago. Okay, all right. And I'm not judging anybody that does, but if you allow time to pass like that, where you're not like trying to regain that intimacy, that love, that affection, can get lost. And it's not only like sex, intimacy can mean, back rubs. Oh, I passed you in the bathroom and I, grabbed your butt and stuff like that. So I'm blessed to say that we still, still doing it. But it is a work. It is a work. And it's a work in progress that we're going to continue to do. So again, I appreciate the love that we have with each other. People that are watching this, and you are 5 years, 10 years, 20 years in, what would you tell people like us? What would you tell the younger people coming out there? What would you tell the newlyweds? What would you tell them to continue having that love, you know, because you could be with somebody for 20 years and really not like them, right? We know that's true. But to the ones out there that have a loving, happy, fulfilled relationship, what are you doing? And how do you continue to maintain that after 15, 20 years? Because we want to know, you know, we want to continue doing it. To the newlyweds, what I could tell you is lean into each other. There's going to be hard times. There's going to be good times. There's going to be troubling times. There's going to be scary times. But lean into each other because you are a team. You are one. Continue to talk to each other and all that stuff. That's worked for us. If you haven't done already, please remember to check out our Honor BS episodes where we talk about any and everything, anything from relationships to current events. And in it, you'll see how we communicate with each other. Yeah, there's lights, effects, and stuff that we do, but that is genuinely how we speak to each other on camera and off camera. So just take note to that. If I can kind of show you anything, make sure you can talk to your partner, because 20 years down the line, you'll be talking to them a lot. That's really all I can say. But happy anniversary to you, Dan. I hope you're having a great day. And again, I hope that this love continues to grow. So you may be wondering what we're doing today. We're literally just kind of enjoying the day. Yesterday we went to dinner at BR77. If you haven't watched that video, click the link. But it's a all-you-can-eat Brazilian steakhouse. So we ate till our belly like bust. Okay, we had a nice little dessert, have a short, check that out too. But it was just really nice. It was really like nice family night. And then today we're going to
Alright guys, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me properly, but we're back again trying to get on the train. It's our anniversary day, so happy anniversary Lisa, happy anniversary to us. We're at the Ponciana stop. We're gonna get Kellan on the train. Hopefully the sound is not gonna be too much for him. You excited to go on the train, Baba? Respect the line. Yeah, so I don't know if we're just making this look hard and it's like we're making it look complicated, but I feel like it's still not very clear. Like we bought the tickets for northbound, we know north and south and that part, but like I don't think there's another train coming here to be the northbound train. This is the last stop. This is as south as it goes. There's another train coming now. This one keeps telling us not to board. I'll let you guys know when we figure out something more than standing here looking at the two trains trying to figure out which one is going north. Alright, Sunrail, look. We're gonna enjoy our night. I know that we're not gonna miss the train somehow or another, but I feel like you guys can make this a little clearer. We're crossing the tracks now for the second time. Back over to the original train we were standing in front of. Still with no clear indication of which train is supposed to be going.
Real quick.
Huh?
I'm gonna run to Wawa to the bathroom.
To Wawa?
Yeah, it's right there.
Baby, it's far.
Right there? I mean, I'm gonna take the car.
Alright, no, an extra added drama is no. We're here. We're still trying to figure out which train is going where. The train's supposed to leave at 7:24. It is right now 7:08. And these trains pretty much leave on time. But Lisa is going to try and go back across the street to Wawa, use the bathroom and come back. I am really not comfortable with this idea. Like, I'm almost more willing to have her use the bathroom on the train. I'm hoping that the train would have bathrooms or something. Like, this just don't seem like a good idea. Cross the street, get at a light, come back, and then get on the train on time. I'm really not feeling this idea. I hope it all works out. I mean, worst case scenario would just get left, but Jano, I'm not gonna lie, I really rather Lisa did all a bush or something than go try across the road now, go use bathroom and drive back and make it. Well, what's the night without a little adventure? Alright, so I am not setting up the precedent of getting on the train and leaving Lisa behind. The light is green now, and just learn from our mistake in this situation. There are bathrooms on the train. There are no bathrooms at the actual station, but all the sunrails are equipped with bathrooms. Now, how clean those bathrooms are, I don't know, but you could probably get away with using them in a pinch, because Lisa drove over to Wawa. It is now 15. This thing is leaving in 10 minutes. Yeah, bro, just don't do what we did here. Now we're here in the northbound recordings and all of that. Someone just stepped on behind me, actually. Lisa, hurry up, please. Bruh. The train leaves at 24. Alright, so we've entered the last 5 minutes. I saw some brake lights in the parking lot. I was praying that it was going to be Lisa. She thinks she's funny. Let's get on board. But just learn there are bathrooms on the train. Just hold it and get on the train. Oh, bro.
So how do you get it?
I'm supposed to be able to hit this button. Why is it not opening now? Oh. You gotta be rough with it.
Yo, when nature calls, you gotta listen. Otherwise, you're gonna have some wet pants, or some other things, you know? So I'm sweating, but I'm ready for the train adventure. So overall, a lot of people complain about the seats being like nasty. They are. I'll give you that. They are a little brown. I'm used to Miami transportation where it's not very kosher, so everything is like plastic seats so they can wipe it down. So Sunrail invest in some plastic seats. This might be more comfortable, I guess, technically, but nobody want to touch this. Here we go. Yeah.
Welcome to Sunrail. Personas que tengan el letrero que dice emergency en cada nivel. Este tren también es auxilio.
This is much quicker. Obviously, there's no traffic and it's a straight shot to those places. Lisa is saying she wanted to see how long it's going to take to get up to...
It's been like 12 minutes now
Yeah.
that we've been on the train.
We've passed through technically 3 counties now. Technically.
We went from Polk County to Kissimmee, Osceola,
Yeah. I think we're headed into Orange now.
Orange County now.
So, yeah.
Wow, vibes.
Kellan is kind of being able to look out the window. The window's kind of hard to see out.
Yeah, because of the glare.
Yeah, I think that might be something that helps in the daytime, but at night it just
the
kind of ends up.
sun rail, so it needs sunglasses on the sun rail.
Well, we almost got left by the sun rail.
Hey, I got
But
back
we
in
got
time.
back in
Yo,
time.
you didn't even tell me. You didn't give me like props on that.
You went go use the bathroom, got harassed by some brother. Some of the things that women unfortunately have to endure and then ignore too. Like Lisa's like, oh, you said some weird like horror movie style beginning, like girl, I could smell you from here.
Yeah, and then he waited till I came out of the Walmart, and then continued to be like, oh, what a man will go through just to get another smell or something like that. I was like, Okay, brother. Okay.
Wawa man, just easy yourself, see?
Wow.
Yeah, so as much as Lisa is like, yeah, the seats in agreement that seats are gross, and they're like cloth seats, so it's gonna be. But we have already. I never want to be a weirdo and film no man, but one of the employees came through and was wiping down like the common areas. So they do their best to try and keep it clean. You'll see periodically she working through. Yeah.
From Miami, where
Please
It's not no gum or nothing, no nastiness like that.
to your son, your conductor,
I'm not gonna
security
touch it,
personnel,
but
or ambassador.
And it's not like there's like an odor. It's not like a great, pleasant like air freshener smell in here, but it don't smell bad or anything like
so
that.
like one of the problems with Miami transportation is the fact that there's just so many people.
You're right. I believe that's the problem, and compounded with the fact that like in a group, all it takes is like one person to disrespect something, and then people will do the same thing. So, normally one or two people sitting in there, they probably won't put their feet up on the chair, but it does take one person to do that.
So I just saw like there's a teenager on here, and he's got his charger, and he's looking for a plug. So
There must be
obviously
plugs on here.
he's looking like he knows that there's one on here. So that's a good thing to know. Another thing, I don't know if Dan got a chance to show you that the quiet area.
No.
Yeah, so there's a quiet area.
We're sitting downstairs right now. Want to see the upper area or deck. I don't know what
I
they're
don't know,
called.
for some reason I don't want to see it. I don't know.
Anyway.
Signing out. So we've arrived at the beautiful Winter Park. We're going to be just chilling around downtown Winter Park and see what they have to offer. Grab some dinner. This is a beautiful train station, but I'm going to tap out because we've arrived.
Presenter Affair Media. Presenter Affair Media.
Let's go.
Alright, so we're doing a pretty bad job of showing you guys all this, but we're all trying to take it in all at once. So we kind of learned it's cold too.
Yeah, that too.
We learned the hard way that while the northbound runs until like 10:40 or something, south runs at like 8 something, and we just got here at like 8:10 or something. So the last one is what, 8:40?
8, yeah.
We would have had like
8.
20 minutes to walk around and try and get something to eat. So we're just gonna charge it to the game and move back, at least back to the train station. I am not really looking at it like a huge loss. Yes, we did pay for the ticket to come up here, but new experience, and also the train was awesome. It's very quick to get up here, so if we're trying to spend like a day up in Winter Park or something like that, it's definitely worth parking at Ponciano. Right now we're trying to figure out something to eat, or at least which direction to walk towards making that decision.
Italian?
I'll have Italian. Lisa is really in the mood for Italian, and it's like she's like, how do you feel about pizza? How do you feel about pasta?
No, be
How do you feel about and then finally just hit me with the Italian now.
lie. He's telling lies. But there are like a bunch of Italian places. Across the street is this place called Ava. That one was recommended on Yelp. That's Mediterranean.
Mediterranean.
Eat those
I'm not
vegan-
really picky, to be
vegan
honest.
kitchen.
Not feeling the vegan vibe. But outside of that, I'm pretty much down for anything right now. I am shocked Kellan is still awake, but I think it's just too much new experiences. He's really gonna burn out
getting cold.
and get knocked out. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so I put my name down and give them a phone number at this other restaurant. And please, if you work at the restaurant, don't hate me. I really don't have any intention of probably going back. But we did it as just kind of a backup. But it was like 90-minute wait. So Lisa found this Thai place now. Checking into there now. I'm gonna show you guys how it is. We're walking like kind of through like the plaza area. It's like an inside tree. And these big, huge koi fish. And you have a pond pot. And I'm guessing it's the restaurant. So let's head on in. Doesn't look super busy. Let's head in. How you doing?
Hello.
How you doing? So, not probably going to film this whole thing because it is officially our anniversary right now. Kellan is still awake, but everything happens for a reason. Even the Ubering back home, we found ourselves in this little Thai place, and it's not totally empty, but it's nice enough, secluded vibe. Just a little bit of music playing, nothing like super over the top. And this is gonna be our anniversary celebration. It's a very nice place. What's the name of this place? Hopefully the food matches the ambience, because the ambience of this place is very nice. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360 and try to enjoy in here. But everybody's chilling. Kellan looks to be in good spirits, fighting sleep at this point. Shh, Papa. We didn't have a reservation, but it was destined to be. All right. So, Toddler, please match the look with the food now. But we're hungry, so
Yeah,
we'll make the best of
probably
it.
anything will be good.
All right, so take a look around. So yeah, not a super big place, but they have outside seating underneath the tree. Anyway, guys, let me order my Thai iced tea and start looking on the food, you know.
I'm not sure what this dipping sauce is. It's not a chutney. I'm not really sure. I don't know. This is like a grape. I'm not really sure. Hello. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
So you see the potatoes. You see the fennel. Very good. This is the hot and sour soup. And it's supposed to be spicy. I didn't get it with any chicken. It's just vegetable. It has mushrooms, carrots, maybe like a daikon, like a radish, and then parsley on top. All right, so the hot and sour is spicy, and it's like flavorful spicy. Not like you have some spicy and it's just hot for no reason. There's cabbage in it, which is like a nice crunch. I don't think I was expecting the cabbage. Usually hot and sours that I've had are just kind of like a couple mushrooms and stuff like that, but you can really, the carrots, the cabbage, that's what I thought was like a radish, but it's the cabbage, and it's really nice. It's a little thicker than I know of like hot and sours. This might be more like Thai take on it, but really nice. We have a lamb biryani. This is the chicken Thai basil rice, and this is a steak pad Thai. So we're gonna get to our meal because it looks good. My belly is ready for the food. To enjoy our anniversary. So see you guys later.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it